I think the most mature biomarker in the field for ALS right now is neurofilament, and this is really because the accelerated approval of Tofersen was based on the knowledge and the results from the neurofilaments that were measured in that clinical trial evaluating Tofersen. And so neurofilament is likely one that has a lot of association with disease progression and rate of progression, so fast progressor, slow progressor. But with that said, we don't know everything about neurofilament either. And so the field is evaluating different ways of assay, different ways of measuring it in the serum versus the CSF, and how it correlates with the clinical outcomes in ALS. But in addition to that, there's various other markers of inflammation and urine markers like urine P75 that are actually being validated or brought forth as potential candidates for biomarkers. And a lot of this work is being done by developing large repositories and centralized or synergized repositories. And that's really catalyzed by actually a legislation that was put into place in 2021, at the end of 2021, called Act for ALS. And so with that legislation, it allowed for funding for large clinical programs or clinical research programs to come together and collect and centralize biorepositories for longitudinal clinical data and longitudinal biosamples under what's called ALL ALS, a consortium of clinical centers that can collect information from both symptomatic ALS and also at-risk individuals or asymptomatic. So we've never really done that before as a joint effort with different institutions. And so with that is a starting point and a foundation to synergize all these smaller collections that have occurred in the past, but also build on that foundation to kind of validate biomarkers in the future.